POV like a pro. PellKing chest and head strap kit. Hands-free, action-ready, adventure-approved. Capture life's adventures hands-free. Elevate your video content with the PellKing mobile phone chest strap harness and head strap holder kit. Designed for POV shooting, this kit transforms your smartphone or action camera into a dynamic recording powerhouse. Whether you're cycling through rugged trails or skiing down snow-covered slopes, the hands-free design ensures stable, first-person perspective footage, letting you live in the moment while capturing it flawlessly. Versatile shooting heights for every scene. Adapt to every adventure with dual mounting options. The chest strap mount captures immersive, lower-angle footage, while the head strap mount delivers an eye-level view. Whether you're vlogging, recording action sports, or documenting daily life, this kit's versatility ensures you never miss a shot. Its quick-release design allows seamless transitions between mounts, saving time and keeping the action uninterrupted. Wide compatibility, limitless potential. The PellKing kit works with a wide array of devices, from smartphones, 4 to 7 inches, to action cameras like GoPro, DJI Osmo, and Insta360. The universal design means you can effortlessly switch between devices, making it the ultimate accessory for creators on the go. Durable and reliable, it supports your gear without worry, whether you're climbing mountains or cruising waves. Durable, tech-tested, adventure-ready. Crafted from premium PC plus ABS plastics and silicone, this kit is built to withstand the rigors of extreme sports. The adjustable straps fit adults of varying sizes, ensuring comfort and stability during use. With its robust construction, it handles weight and movement effortlessly, giving you peace of mind even during strenuous activities. Affordable yet durable, it's a smart investment for any content creator or adventurer. Convenience that saves time and effort. PellKing's quick release mechanism ensures effortless setup and transitions, saving you valuable time. Included tools like the wrench secure your devices tightly, so you can focus on the experience, not the equipment. Whether you're capturing breathtaking mountain biking footage or vlogging a tranquil paddleboarding session, this kit guarantees top-quality results every time. Adventure awaits. Don't miss a moment with the PellKing kit by your side.